So now in this lesson I'm going to teach you how to make wafer paper bougainvillea flowers. They are like very delicate and we need quite a few to even make a bunch. Okay, so this is how it is going to look. So this one thing is a separate flower. Now I'll be teaching you one of this, and we will need quite as much to just bunch them together and make a spray like this. And they come in really very beautiful when we have to kind of use them on the modern wedding cake. And the color that I have used is the color that I wanted to keep it for the cake that I want to use this. There are different kinds of colors of bougainvillea flowers. You could just check out and try and get the shade that is as close to the natural bougainvillea colors of the flower that you could find. Okay, so this is just as a reference. I thought I should show you what you're just proceeding towards for. And so this is the template. You know how to get the template cut. And with the template, here are the petals cut. We need 3 of the petals for one flower, and these are just the small strips to have the wires attached to the petals. And these are all the leaf veins. So basically we'll be making 3 individual leaves, and with a center. Like there are 3 centers. I will be showing you how to make them as well. And once we put them together, then we have like one bougainvillea. Like I said, you will need quite a few to make a bunch. Okay, so then I'll just keep this aside. And now what we have now is the potion. You know that is a mixture of glycerin, corn syrup and water. And if we have to make colored wafer paper flowers, now we will be adding the colors into the potion itself. So for the rustic burnt orange color that I have, I'm going to use yellow and brown. Okay, so I'm just going to take just a drop of it. Just a little bit of brown. Just add a bit more yellow. So get the potion itself colored. And then I have the goop, the wafer paper mixed with water. I'm just going to use a 26G wire. I'm just going to make one petal to show. I'm keeping the textured side should be on the top. So my wire side will be on the smooth facing upward. And then the strip is also the similar way. And just get the goop, wafer paper glue, place the wire, and place the strip. Just use the colored portion. Just brush it on top. Back side as well. And then get the corn flour. Dust the excess out. We'll just go on top of it. and then dust off the excess as well. You're not going to dust off the excess corn flour, then it will just turn pretty patchy. Lift it. So once it's just not sticky or not wet anymore, then I'll just get the veiner. Place the top veiner and then press it. Got the veiner there, and then it is like a drying out on the shaper with a random shape. As you can see, the color could have been a bit darker, but then we just got the hang of it. The beautiful veins coming through on the leaf, which is just one of the petal of the bougainvillea. So I'm just going to allow this to dry and continue making the rest. I will get back once I have the leaves made, and we could also be making the center, and that will be enough to finish making our bougainvillea.